This review is of Keko Manufacturing's Glinter, which is a sparkling beverage. This one's with mango flavor, and this is produced in Malaysia. And there's a whole bunch of languages there. I don't know what that says necessarily, but oh, it says hello in a whole bunch of different languages. That's kind of nice. Here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Now, I'm not expecting anything special out of this, but we can hope, right? There is a mango smell to it. It doesn't, I doubt it has any actual juice in it. Water, fructose. Oh my god, second ingredient is fructose. And then, man, oh man. I don't have, the mango flavoring is at the very bottom. There's also sucralose. So, surprisingly, it's a tart mango flavor. And because of all the sugar that they dumped into this, which is only 13 grams, surprisingly, of sugar, which I'm very confused about because the total carbohydrates are 12 grams, but the total sugars are 13 grams. I'm really not sure how that works. It's confusing. Yeah. So this is actually surprisingly tasty. It's like one of the more sour mangoes without that soapy flavor that mangoes sometimes have. So I actually like this. I'm glad I grabbed this. I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.